Hello, we filled this thing with blue crystals, bags of blue crystals, and right now we're gonna sell it. See how much it is. This I got it. God, why is it so loud? Bro, jeez. Oh my God!
That's the record.
Yo, no way. I think we got the record, bro.
No way.
Let's go. That was so much.
303K.
Bro. Wait, you got 303,000?
Now I do.
Oh, God. Bro, I used to have like 800K, but I lost it all on buying RPGs.
We ain't gonna need that anymore.
You think you want to do that again or go to Publix?
Publix.
I bet.
Traumatized.
I'm gonna buy one singular RPG show. Alright, well, we're gonna go destroy public lobbies. Bro, that was so much money. Y'all prepared to be a tactical missile?
Guys, I got to bring your teammates. You gotta
Yeah. You ready to become a tactical missile?
Yes, I will.
I'll give you a free RPG if you don't kill me.
Oh, I just killed
Jesus
him.
Christ.
I just killed him. Driving on something. Lights everywhere. I don't know what's happening.
I don't know what's happening. Come on, come out and save some, buddy. I got an RPG. Come here, boy.
I'm just happy. I'm just angry.
Nice.
Angry. Look.
Go to upper safe zone.
I just would.
Yeah. For like 10 minutes.
I just
Frick, I just fell.
something. It's on a laptop with some tape on
What
it.
the frick?
Devalue.
They stole my RPG and RPG ammo. Bro,
I killed you.
Y'all ready for an airstrike?
Yeah. Strike.
Guess what? Red Watch lasts for like 5 minutes.
Oh.
It's actually like 2 minutes. Not really.
Someone like this.
No way, RPG.
Unless you keep killing people.
What? That was actually quite hard.
Who's
Running
ready
from
for
everyone
Flappy Bird?
Now having a pistol in your hand.
Guys, raise your hand with the RPG.
I love being Flappy Bird.
Yeah?
Callan, have you ever been? Have you ever? Callan, have you ever become Flappy Bird?
Yes, I
Frick,
win.
frick. Sigma, bye.
If anybody kills anybody outside station, they get back.
Sigma, bye.
RPG!
Oh my God, bro. Jeez.
RPG!
What the frick?
Bye-bye.
Bro, my God.
Hi guys. I bet you won't shoot
I'm
me,
gonna be the
RPG.
legendary player.
God. Damn, bro. Hold on.
I want the RPG with me. No. Stop. Mary.
Huh?
Kill him.
What?
Yes.
Jesus, bro.
Wow. I killed him now.
I'm so close.
I killed
Yes, I'm here. What?
You
What are
guys
you
just say about
laughing
it.
about?
Can I have an RPG, guys?
Yes, I killed him. I'm gonna kill you this time. I win.
Dang, guess what?
Good job.
I'm Flappy Bird.
Good
Flap.
job.
Kaboom! I just killed somebody. Same.
I'm gonna kill him. Just died by himself.
Boom! have you collected your daily crystal yet?
Did he get Red Watch, no?
Red Watch just died.
I'm here to kill. I'm attached to a missile.
Come on, safe zone if you want to have some fun time.
Red Watch died.
Okay, bet.
Kill.
Look at him! Look at him! Why you killed him now?
Yo, give me like Nah. That's
Karma, buddy.
Karma, buddy. I just blew myself up.
Oh!
That's called karma, buddy.
Nice. Go on a safe zone if you want to have some fun.
Oh my god, man, I'm broken!
Who shot it? Who
Tactical
I'll
shot
go with
my
it.
thing?
Let's go, come on, let's go, let's
I'm a
go.
tactical
Yeah, let's
missile.
go. Let's go out.
It's good, Cap.
I'm
Flappy Bird. Flap, flap. Kaboom! Frick, what happened to my stick?
an RPG.
Wait, can I have that RPG?
Who keeps blowing up my freaking RPG?
Kill him!
Guys, Red Watch, he's Red Watch. He's Red Watch.
Big,
There's someone down there. Yes, see how I
Where is he?
somewhere.
Tactical missile.
Bro,
Yes!
oh my god.
I need this. I'm a genius. I'm a genius.
Can somebody teach me how to play, please?
I'm a genius. I
Yeah, I'll teach you
defy
how to play.
Allah.
Guys, is anybody?
I love this. Oh my god. Alright, bro. Alright, well, I think this will be the end of the video. I'm gonna end it out with a bang. Let's go!
Why'd you kill him?
See ya.